Trademark registration provides any business, any brand owner with many, many benefits. Today, we're going to talk about the 25 of the biggest benefits of trademark registration. 1, it allows the owner to use the R with a circle symbol, which conveys a status of the brand and the trademark and helps ward off infringers. 2, registering the trademark means that you appear in the USPTO database, and that's what other brands hopefully are using when they're brainstorming and searching and clearing new names. So it helps avoid conflicts just by being in the database. 3rd benefit is that by being in that database, the examiners will actually search it as well and will automatically do work to block any conflicting application that's for a similar name, similar goods and services, and likely to cause confusion. A huge benefit. 4th is that registration creates a tangible asset that can actually be bought or sold, licensed, and assigned a value. 5th benefit is that that tangible asset can even be used as a security interest or collateral for a loan. 6th benefit of trademark registration is that it allows you, if you need to go to court, to seek potentially triple damages and attorney's fees. This makes for a much more compelling threat or negotiation leading up to going to court as well. 7th is that in going to court, having a federally registered trademark gives you jurisdiction in a federal district court, which is significant and important. 8th is that in going to court for such a proceeding, having a trademark registration gives you the presumption of owning that trademark, and that carries important benefits in any dispute as well. 9th benefit of registration is that it conveys nationwide priority throughout the U.S. in all 50 states and U.S. territories. And that protection can be as early as the filing date of the application. 10th benefit of a trademark registration is that it can form the basis of filing for international trademark registration in other countries. 11th benefit of registration is that when you're contacting and dealing with potential infringers or cybersquatters, it's a powerful tool to attach to a letter and to make a demand to try to bring about a quick resolution to a situation. 12th benefit of registration is the ability to record it with U.S. Customs and Border Patrol, who can help by blocking and screening at the ports of entry. 13th benefit of registration is that it provides you with a wonderful certificate that you can display. 14th benefit is that all of these other benefits actually help save money. In other words, by investing in brand protection, you're saving multitudes of the potential for a much more costly, protracted dispute. Or what if somebody were to come after you to try to make you have to change the brand? That is a tremendous expense. So protecting your brand from the start helps reduce the risk of all those things and therefore save money. 15, that benefit I was talking about is essentially insurance for your brand. It saves money by help build up a fort of protection around your brand. 16th benefit is that it helps show your competitors that you're protected. This is valuable in being taken seriously and not being knocked off and copied. 17th benefit is that it shows customers that you're protected. Again, conveying a message to your customers that your brand is protected and your brand is important and significant to you. 18th benefit is that it shows your employees that your brand is important and protected. And I think that is an important message, that you want a business's staff to know how much effort and energy and value has been placed in creating this brand and what stands behind it for the business. 19th benefit is that it makes the business as a whole more valuable. There are studies that show that businesses with registered trademarks generally perform better than businesses that don't. So registering your trademark is an important step in hopefully building your business and making it more valuable. 20th benefit is that it makes enforcement of any trademark issues, generally less expensive, less burdensome. 21st benefit is that it can give you entrance into the Amazon brand registry. We know now so many businesses sell on Amazon. That's an important benefit. 22nd benefit is that it gives you more tools to deal with any domain name disputes or cybersquatters. 23rd benefit is that it gives you more tools and a stronger claim against any social media infringers, whether it's a takedown or a social media handle that's infringing your trademark. Having it registered is going to make that process generally better and easier. 24th, the totality of all these other benefits is that it helps to discourage others from even thinking about infringing or copying your brand. So having a registration is extremely valuable for that reason. And number 25 benefit of trademark registration is that even though we just said it serves to discourage others from possibly copying your brand, in the event that someone does copy your brand, having the trademark registration is a tremendous tool if such an issue does arise to make it easier, cheaper, faster, generally to deal with. And so collectively, you can see trademark registration is a very, very important and valuable tool for any business, big or small. If you want to read more about building and protecting a brand, find my book at buildingaboldbrand.com.